Now they're sounding the sirens. Yay! It's not quite dark back there yet, but they are sounding our little sirens. That is the Thunderbolt 1000T on Delhi Middle School. There's my dog. I hear a new siren that I have not heard yet before. We don't even have a warning yet, and they're sounding the sirens. Where is that siren? I have not heard that one yet. Starting to rain now. Raining slowly but surely. That's coming from back there somewhere. I don't know where that siren is. It's a new one. I have to go on a siren hunt now because I'm hearing more sirens than I have heard before. These are new sirens. Thunder. I do not hear the 1000 on top of Western Hills High School. I do not hear that one. That one's usually pretty loud. Oh? Alright, buddy. You keep flying like that. Shit. They're stabbing our sirens doing channel.
So, here's the most severe line though, and this is the one that's going to be the one that's going to continue to track until we see this storm die out. We're under tornado watch, but more specifically, folks in this area are under a tornado warning. That's why we continue with uninterrupted coverage. Oh, goodness. Yeah, we sure do have some shear happening down there. Cindy, go ahead and go tight into this area, and I'll describe what we're looking
Rising
at here.
sun is on my dashboard.
This is actually wind flow away and to the radar. And I'm glad I have a pen in my hand. It's a very simple process if you want to understand shear. And that's why we're seeing these strong returns showing up. This indicates winds going away from the radar. Go right in here with the lighter color, Cindy, right in through there. I think it'll really show up. Yeah, now we're talking 45-mile-an-hour winds, okay, across that region. Now, this area, okay, is bounded by a green area. So what we're seeing is, if you think of the radar being at my back, there's winds going away and there's winds going toward. So if you take a pen in your hand or a pencil and just rotate it, these are going toward, these are going away. So then when you rotate it, the pen starts spinning in your hand. As that happens, you get an idea of what's happening to the air. So this is moving away from the radar as the green shade is moving too. So you get that twisting area. Now we're talking about some pretty severe wind gusts across that area. We don't always see winds that we're talking